Hello my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's tutorial, I will be showing you my quick and easy makeup look for every day. This is kind of the makeup look that I literally wear almost every day if I am running errands, and especially in the summer because it is so super glowy and is one of my favorite things. For this video, I have teamed up with L'Oreal Paris, so all the items shown in this video can be picked up at your local drugstore, and I actually got to test out their new Xfiber Mascara to achieve this natural look, and I am absolutely obsessed. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, then just keep watching. Starting off with an au naturel face and definitely missing the sun. I've been going for a very glowy look this winter, so I start off by using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion in the shade Light Glow to help give myself a natural glow since my skin has been so dry and dull this winter. And then go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in the shade Natural Buff. Then to conceal the dark circles under my eyes, I'm using the L'Oreal Pro Glow Concealer in the shade Classic Ivory. And I'm going to set that in place with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Sweep and Lock Translucent Setting Powder. Once done, I'm going to add a bit more glow to my look with the True Match Glow Nude Highlighter Palette. And I'm using the shade Dawn, and this is the perfect color for my skin tone. It's subtle enough without being blinding, which is perfect for everyday wear. Then I fill in my brows with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist in the shade Warm Brunette, and I'm just adding very light strokes throughout my brows so that they look a little bit more natural and not too heavy. Then I go in and curl my baby eyelashes with my eyelash curler. I haven't been wearing eyelash extensions since becoming pregnant, so my eyelashes are so super short, and finding the perfect mascara to give me some length and volume has been super important to me. So I've been using the Xfiber Mascara by L'Oreal. This is a duo mascara, so the step one is actually the primer that is black, not white, thank gosh, so you don't have to worry about having gray eyelashes, and it helps to add a ton of volume to your lashes. I mean, look at this before and after, isn't that insane? And then you go in with step two, which is the fiber mascara, and this helps add length to your lashes, and you can add as many coats as you want of this step to your lashes to add as much length as you possibly would like. I think this is perfect for adding that like falsy long lash look without having to worry about wearing falsies or lash extensions. And I've missed them so much, but being pregnant, I've decided to take a little break from them. And then I set my makeup in place with the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray, and that is pretty much it. And there you have it guys, my quick and easy makeup tutorial. All the items used in this video will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out if you're interested in picking up any of the items. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. What is your quick and easy makeup routine like when you are in a rush? Let me know down in the comment section below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!